In this video, we'll show you how to lock the gallery app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So to do this, first open the app and tap on this menu icon here. Now select settings. In this menu, scroll down and then tap on about gallery. Here you will need to tap on this version number at the top multiple times. Keep tapping it until you see this message. Now go back to the previous menu, scroll down and tap on Galaxy Labs. Here you will need to scroll down and enable this album entry locks option. Now tap on OK. Now to apply the changes, you will need to restart your Samsung Galaxy phone once. After the reboot, open the gallery app again, go to the albums tab and simply locate the album that you want to lock. Long press on it, tap the more icon and then select lock album option. Now anytime you try to open the album, you will be prompted to scan your fingerprint or use the pin. Now anytime you want to unlock the album, simply open it, tap this 3-dot icon and select unlock album. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.